This is me talking about this buying USDT around 764 naira that is going to spark to 780 in few days. So this is a follow-up video. If you saw this video and you make this trade, what I said, if you have been in profit now, I'm going to go to my Binance account, then show you what I'm talking about for you to confirm that I made a video about this 2 days ago. Then this is the video. You can check this video on my channel. This is my this is the USDT and NG on Binance. So if you watch the other video I just showed you on my in the beginning of the video, I'm going to leave a link in the video description for you to be able to watch the video. So I told you I talk about this around in the video that the price is around 6763.64. That is around this support area, that this can spark to up to 790 or 800. That at least, to be on the safer side, you can buy now and put your sell order at 780, and this actually will play out. So guys, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification so you won't miss any update I put out on my YouTube channel. Then I'm going to be making a good video and good value on this channel. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. So if